Hello children, today in GK we are going to see a new chapter which is about fairy tales. In the last class we are learnt kinds of books, no? Today we will discuss about fairy tales. Okay children, do you know what do you mean by fairy tales? You also already seen so many fairy tales in your mobile or TV. Okay, tell me, what do you mean by fairy tales? Fairy tales are simple stories about imaginary, magical creatures and lands. A children's story about magical and imaginary beings and lands a fairy story. Okay children, here they have given some fairy tales here. These are some famous fairy tales, and also these are not completed. See here, these are incompleted. So we want to write the correct word in the given place. Okay. The keywords, see here, the keywords given below and fill the correct word and complete the sentence. Okay. First one I will read for you. First one, listen here. The dash come to the shoemaker's house to make shoe at night. The shoemaker's dash makes cloths and shoe for them in returns. Okay. They have given, see here, keywords are there. They have given, we will fill the correct word. First one, elves. Shoemaker name is elves. The elves come to the shoemaker's house. No, shoemaker, elves is one of a person. The elves come to the shoemaker's house to make shoe at night. The shoemaker's wife, right here, the shoemaker's wife makes clothes and shoes for them in return. Okay. Next, second one, Dash lives with her stepmother and two stepsisters, Dash and Dash. Who lives with her stepmother and who are the two stepsisters? Right here. First one, Cinderella. She is Cinderella. Cinderella lives with her stepmother and two stepsisters, Drusilla and Anastasia. Okay, Cinderella lives with her stepmother and two stepsisters are Drusilla and Anastasia. Next, third one, Princess Dash lives with the 7 Dash, Dopey, Sneezy, Happy, Grumpy, Dog, Bashful and Sleepy. Princess, who is princess? Yes, princess name is Snow White. Right here, Princess Snow White lives with the 7 dwarfs. 7 drops. See here, is there? Seven drops are doppy, sneezy, happy, grumpy, dark, bashful and sleepy. Then next fairy tale. Next one, fourth one. Dash is actually a wooden puppet whose nose grows longer whenever he lies. See here. See here. His nose is so longer, no? Yes. Yes. Pinocchio. See here. Pinocchio. Pinocchio is actually a wooden puppet whose nose grows longer whenever he lies. Next, fifth one. Alice follows the dash down the hole and enters a place where she finds a bottle with drink me and a cake with eat me written on them. Yes, White Rabbit. Alice follows the white rabbit. Alice follows the white rabbit down the hole and enters a place where she finds a bottle with drink me and a cake with eat me written on them. Okay, children, search your YouTube famous fairy tales and see all fairy tales. Okay, first one is search the Elva's fairy tales. Second one, Cinderella fairy tale. Third one, Snow White fairy tale. Fourth one, Pinocchio fairy tale. And fifth one, Alice fairy tale. Next, last one, the Pied Piper of Dash leads the rats down the river with the magic of his flute. He then takes away the dash when the Mayur does not pay him the promised amount. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. The Pied Piper of Hamelin leads the rats down the river with the magic of his flute. Then he takes away the children. He then takes away the children when the Mayur does not pay him the promised amount. Okay. You also search your YouTube and see all fairy tales. Okay. See all fairy tales story. Okay. Finally, fairy tales are simple stories about imaginary magical creatures and lands. Okay, children. You also write in your textbook neatly and correctly. You will continue next class. Bye.